have a meeting with everybody. That is one option. Otherwise, we remaining 10 ki matram James, okay. Are the nodal officers hospitals sitting together, or nodal officers under hospitals under nodal officers no part, so at least that much coordination is there, I guess. Okay. So private hospitals, we have around 18 hospitals in our district which were notified for COVID treatment, and we have 20 hospitals which are government hospitals. In the second wave, we have notified only few of them, but in third wave up to CNC level, we are planning to equip them for the COVID treatment. In this, every hospital has mainly 4 items to be catered to. Mainly 4 items. Based on the second wave's experience, the biggest problem that all of us faced is the number of beds availability. In that, ICU beds availability, O2 beds availability. And when we talk of O2 beds, obviously the second most important problem is the oxygen availability. So in all these things, we have to prepare ourselves for the third wave. That's what the plan is. This was already told to all of you, and now we are asking you what is the present status, what steps your hospital has taken for ensuring that you are prepared for the third wave in case it arrives. And going by many other states' figures, numbers as far as the COVID positive cases are concerned, there are many high indications that third wave is also coming. So we have to be alert and we have to be ready with all these preparatory activities. The concerned hospital management person and the nodal officer. Already there are nodal officers previously appointed unnaru. Vallaki ninna again one more round of training was also given. Andaru nodal officers ninna attend ayyara. Saturday there was a training completed by both JC Health and JC Revenue. How to update the tasks, how to update the daily monitoring reports in your app. Details from you cheppadam jarigindi. Then whatever activities, whatever tasks are there, present status enti. Suppose, for example, there is a PSA plan to be established by a particular hospital. More than 100-bedded hospital, it is compulsory by the government GO that they have to go for their own PSA plan. So whether the PSA plan is started or not. If not started, what is the present status? Whether the civil work is started or not. We check the number of inpatients that are presently available. Officers will keep operating into that. As the hospital, what is the present status of these 4 items? 4 items beds any add cheyabothunnaru. Add అయిన తర్వాత వాటికి రావాల్సిన LMO కోసం what is your readiness? And in case LMO is there, in addition to that, what is the D-type cylinders ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి మీ దగ్గర, or concentrators ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? The government GO which is issued, మీ అందరికీ ఒక కాపీ కూడా ఇవ్వబోతున్నాము if it is already not given. There is a government GO issued on 28th of May 2021. GO number 57, Health Department has issued this. This GO gives direction to all the hospitals. If a 100-bedded hospital is there, then they have to maintain 100 plus oxygen cylinders. More than 100-bedded hospital, they have to maintain 100 oxygen cylinders. If it is 50 to 100-bedded hospital, they have to maintain 100 cylinders. If it is less than 50-bedded, then at least 40 cylinders have to be insured by the concerned hospital. Similarly, oxygen mask with regulator also, there are some numbers. More than 100-bedded aithe any regulators undali. Less than 50 to 100 aithe any undali. Less than 50 aithe any undali. So those in the GO, all these quantifiable targets are given by the government to all private hospitals. Similarly, for oxygen readiness, PSA oxygen plant, if any 100 plus bedded hospital is there, they have to go for minimum 1,000 LPM PSA plant. If it is 50 to 100 bedded hospital, they have to go for 500 LPM oxygen plant. If it is less than 50 bedded, then PSA plant is not required, but they have to ensure that ఎంత బెడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి అంత మీరు ఆక్సిజన్ కాన్సన్ట్రేటర్స్ అందుబాటులో ఉండాలి. So this is a four-pronged strategy. For oxygen, we have four possible options. One is LMO, which comes to us from different suppliers. Second is PSA plant. We will have our hospitals will have their own production capacity. Third is cylinders. Cylinders should be readily available so that whenever the oxygen requirement is there, either through LMO or through PSA plants, you can refill your cylinders and use it as per the requirement. And fourth is concentrators. So the government in the GO, they have not given A or B or C or D. That is, or is not the option. Option is A and B and C and D. So we have to go for all these preparedness for all these four items. So it's given by the government. Now we will go by hospitals one by one. We have limited time. As I said, we have meeting at 5:30. So I want quick reply from the hospital managements. What is the present status for these four items? Just for information, I am giving it to you by sanctions by the state government, sanctions by the central government, or we are taking some CSR activities also to augment the work in the government hospitals up to CHC level. These four items, cylinders and oxygen concentrators. So you can note down whatever their preparedness now is and what they are planning to do in the future for other items. Yeah, please go ahead.
Regarding the number type, but our hospital is less than 50 beds.
Okay, so PSA plants will not be required.
Yes, sir. And oxygen beds also, patient beds also.
So you had increased to 25. Okay. What about concentrators?
Regarding concentrators, we are planning.
Yeah, so this has to be by next meeting also. There has to be some update on this.
Okay.
Okay, so the primary reason for. Okay.
Problem is CSR. Operate the CSR, but that was not sufficient for you. At least 3-4 times you came to us for operation.
Yes, sir. Last time 30 was there, now 10 beds.
Yeah. So now you immediately oxygen cylinders to purchase a start plan.
Actually, already 40 purchase చేశారు.
Total?
Only COVID beds 25.
No, all beds together. Total beds in the hospital.
50.
50.
Right.
So you come between 50 and 100 bedded అనుకుంటే you should have 100 oxygen cylinders.
But actually 48 ఉన్నాయి.
48 ఉన్నాయి. So just borderline లో మీరు borderline.
Trials were.
But increase the oxygen cylinders because so you know your constraints and you know your demand in the area. So if you had faced the constraints with 40 beds earlier, 40 cylinders, you go and increase the capacity.
Right.
Okay. So
by cannot put in oxygen contract.
what about O2 beds? Earlier ఎంత ఉండేవి ఇప్పుడు ఎంత ఉన్నాయి?
25.
20. You are not augmenting the beds further. Any plans of adding more beds?
No, sir. We are not planning.
Total beds in your hospital?
50, sir.
50.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so cylinders also you are showing that 65 cylinders are available.
Yes, sir. We are planning to some more, 15
You
to
have to go up to 100 because if 50 plus is there, nobody knows what is the quantum of third wave going to be. So the more we are planned, the more we are ready for the third wave with additional numbers also. That might be vested in the short term, vested in the sense a dead investment in the short term. But going forward, it will be of great help. So try to increase your oxygen cylinders.
Okay.
Low. So you have to plan for that.
We are planning to by team.
Next review, we will take your update.
Okay.
So you have also, any update you have, that we have added some cylinders or some concentrators, you give the details to him. So that he will update our record on daily basis.
Sure.
On daily basis, we are monitoring these activities. Nodal officers are going to enter this data onto the website. And from state level also, there is a daily monitoring. So it is not only once in a while we are going to monitor. Every day this monitoring is going on. Yes, sir. Okay.
Now we can give to NIU.
Okay. Okay.
Regarding the oxygen concentrators, the management has still not taken action, sir. Oxygen concentrators need to be added, sir. Cylinders D type, we have 30 cylinders and 35 B type cylinders, sir. All these are fully loaded in their operational, sir.
Cylinders, maybe you need to augment further. We are prescribing minimum 100 cylinders for any hospital which is more than 100 bedded. Your ethic is eligible for more than 100 only. Minimum.
Sir, small submission with a 28 mm line, sir. The pressure field will not be sufficient to be delivered to the endpoint through the cylinder, sir. It's only for transporting a patient, and in case of an emergency, we'll be able to use it, sir.
See, in case of emergency and basic purpose of cylinder, as we have explained scenario, or any some patient who is going to be discharged or step down facility, there you can use it. And with 800 beds, you will surely have more requirement.
Yes.
Minimum that you have to do is 100 cylinders. So you emphasize this upon the management.
Sure.
Ask them that go up to 100 cylinders. All of you might be thinking that this might not be useful if the third wave doesn't come. We all understand that, but this has to be done. Government also, up to CHC level, we are going with all PSA plants or O2 beds, understanding that that might not be used also. But still we are doing, so that we don't get caught unaware or unprepared. This is the thought behind this. Okay, every hospital, what is the present status of these four items?